Hello, today I will speak about the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is used to find the roots, solutions of quadratic equations that can't be easily factored. General form: a times x squared plus b times x plus c equal 0. Quadratic formula: x equal minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Continue. Steps: identify A, B, and C. Identify A, B, and C. For example, here A is 1, here A is minus 1, here A is 3. B, in this equation, B are 3, and in this equation, B are minus 4, in this equation, B equal 12. And C, the constant, is in this equation minus 4, in this minus 3, the second, and the third equation minus 15. Identify A, B, and C. Substitute into the formula. Take the square root, simplify to find x. Simplify to find x. So at first identify A, B, and C, substitute into the formula, calculate to discriminant b squared minus 4ac, take the square root, simplify to find x. I will begin with this example. And follow the formula to find the solution, the roots of equation. I have x squared plus 3x minus 4 equal 0. And A in this equation equal 1, B equal plus 3, and C equal minus 4. X equal minus B minus 3 plus minus B squared 3 squared minus 4, A equal 1 but times 1 times C equal minus 4. Float. Minus 4. Divided by 2 times A. 2 times A equal 1. X equal minus 3 plus minus 3 squared, 3 times 3 equal 9, minus. I have minus here and I have minus here, and it's multiplication all the way. 4 times 1 is 4, times minus 4 is minus 16, minus 16, minus 16 equal plus 16. Divided by 2 times 1 equal 2. X equal minus 3 plus minus 9 plus 16, 25 divided by 2. X1 or x equal minus 3 plus minus, I take the square root and it's 5 times 5 and it's 5 divided by 2. x1 equal, I will take first the minus sign, minus 3 minus 5 divided by 2 minus 8 divided by 2 equal minus 4. x2 equal, then I will take plus sign, minus 3 plus 5 equal divided by 2 equal 2 divided by 2 equal 1. So I find two solutions. The first x1 equal minus 4 and the second x2 equal 1. Now I will show the second equation, minus 2 squared minus x squared minus 4x minus 3 equals 0. And minus x squared minus 4x minus 3 equal 0. A equal minus 1 times x squared. B equal minus 4 and C equal minus 3. And this is my formula. X equal minus B, and I have minus because in the formula minus, here I have minus, so it will be minus 4 plus minus. B squared, if I have minus 4 times minus 4, minus by minus equal plus, it will be 16. But I will write it minus 4 all square minus 4 by minus 1, because A is minus 1, by or times minus 3, because minus 3 is C. All this on the square root divided by 2 times minus 1, because A is minus 1. Simplify. X equal minus plus 4 plus minus 4 squared 16. Minus 4 times minus 4 equals 16. Minus 4, I will write minus now because I have minus here. Minus 3 times minus 1 plus 3 times 4 equal 3 times 4 equal 12. And all this under 2 times minus 1 equal minus 2. X equal 4 plus minus 16 minus 12 equal 4, and divided by minus 2. X equal 4 plus minus 2, because 4 is 2 times 2, divided by minus 2. X1 equal 4, I will take the minus sign first, minus 2 divided by 2 equal 2 divided by 2 equal 1, divided by minus 1, minus 2, so equal minus 1, because I have minus here, and I have, it will be 2 divided by minus 2. And the second solution, x2 equal 4 plus, first I took minus, then I will take plus divided by minus 2, x2 equal 6 divided by minus 2 equal minus 3. And my solution, x1 equal minus 1, x2 equal or the solution are x1 equal minus 1 and x2 equal minus 3. Now the last equation, and the last equation now is the last equation, and the last equation, the third equation is three x squared plus 12x minus 15 equals 0, and a equal 3, a equal 3, b equal 12, and c equal minus 15. X, the formula, x equal minus b, b are 12, minus 12, plus minus root and or, the square root. B squared, I have 12, 12 times 12, 144, 144, minus 4, a equal 3, a equal 3, times 3, plus c equal minus 15, and divided by 2 times a, or a equal 3, x equal minus 12 plus minus 144 minus here I have just 2 minus and it will be plus here. 4 times 3 equal 12 times 15 equal 324. No, 180, because 15 times 12, 180, divided by 6, 2 times 3 equals 6. All this divided by 2a, or 6. X equal minus 12 plus minus, here it will be 324 divided by 6. 324 equal 18 times 18. X equal minus 12 plus minus 18 divided by 6. And I will write here, continue here, x equal minus 12 plus minus 18. I will take minus sign first, divided by 6, x1. x1 equal minus 12 minus 18 minus 30 divided by 6 equal minus 5. x2 equal minus 12. Now I will take the positive sign, plus 18 divided by 6. 18 minus 12 equals 6, or 6 divided by 6 equal 1. So the solution, the first solution equal minus 5, and the second solution equal 1. will write some, remember. If b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0, we will find two real roots, solutions. If b squared minus 4ac equals 0, one real root solution, one solution. If b squared minus 4ac smaller than 0, real, no real roots. Here it's imaginary, no real roots, because imaginary. Because under the root it will be negative sign, -3, -4, minus, it will be lost. The solution must be take imaginary numbers. I hope it was a good lesson for today. We meet with a new lesson. Bye bye.